Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we got a cool product for you. This is the Warp 9 Adventure Wheel Kit. Two options available, a lot of cool colorways to choose from. And this is for your Norden 901s, your 790 and 890 Adventure R and R Rally bikes. If you have one of those bikes and maybe just looking to upgrade the looks of your motorcycle, if you've damaged your stock wheel set and needs to be replaced, or maybe you just want an extra wheel set for different conditions, there's going to be a really good option for you. And I'm going to talk about these two up here today, talk about who might want which option and what might be best for you. But again, if you have questions or comments, please leave those down below as we go through and we talk about these. So a couple of quick things that's cool about these Warp 9 wheel sets is one, the price. So buying the wheel set together, affordable compared to other options that are out there. Another cool thing is that when you buy them, they come complete with your rotors and sprockets. So when you buy them, you just got to mount up your tires, you can slap them on your motorcycle, and you're ready to start your next ride, which I think is awesome. So like I said, there's two sets up here. The ones to my right is your stock wheel sizes. The one to my left are geared towards off-road performance, and they're a narrower profile. I'll talk about those here in just a minute. Let's start out here with the stock sizes. Like I said earlier, if you have a bike and you just love the look of some of these colorways that are out here and you want to add those to your bike, by all means go for it. But if you damage your stock wheels and you need to replace them, and you want a good, affordable set that's going to be even stronger than stock, well, these are a great option, and you want to stick with stock sizing, there you go. Or maybe you want to have two sets of wheels because one set's going to have more of a street-oriented tire for when you're doing longer rides on pavement, and then you want another set that's going to have a more aggressive tire on it for off-road riding. You can have an extra wheel set so you don't have to swap tires when you're ready for your next ride. So if you're looking for an extra wheel set, want to stick with stock sizing, these are available. Again, multiple colorways to choose from. They're phenomenal. Now, here's the other option, and this is what we're really excited about. This is more of the off-road adventure kit, and these are geared towards performance and off-road riding. Here's why. The biggest reason is going to be with the handling. When you look at these, it's a narrower wheel set. The rear wheel is 2.5 inches wide versus over 4 inches for stock, and the front is 1.85 inches versus 2.15 on your stock. And here's why that's beneficial. So with the stock wheel, you can see it's very wide, and that creates a more square profile for your tire. It gives you a good large contact patch, so at higher speeds on the pavement, it creates stability. But when you go to this narrower wheel, what it does, it creates a more rounder profile for your tire, so it takes all the pressure of the motorcycle, puts it in a more centralized point on that tire, and it's just going to help with the handling. So it's going to be a little bit easier to lean over, so it's going to help with cornering, more precise tire placement when you're riding. It's going to help with your braking, acceleration, things like that, and that's why riders are liking this wheel set so much for off-road riding, is for that handling. If you know who Chris Birch is, which I hope you do, if you don't, go Google him right now. He is an alien on these big adventure bikes. I don't know how he does it, but he does things on those motorcycles that you would not think is possible. And when he's doing that type of riding, he's using a narrower wheel set just like this because of those performance gains that I just talked about. Another big benefit to this wheel set is the versatility with different tire options. When you go to this type of wheel, it's going to allow you to run different tires that are more aggressive, more geared towards off-road riding. And when you look at what Chris Birch is doing, you know you're going to need a tire that's built for more aggressive off-road riding. This gives you those options. Another cool thing is these are tube type wheels, so you do need to grab tubes when you pick these up. You don't have some already, but that also allows you to run different off-road oriented tires that are tube type that might not be rated for a tubeless setup. So again, it just gives you versatility, gives you different tire options that are out there. The only thing that you really need to be mindful of is that just know that when you go to these different tires, or a tire that's more geared towards off-road, it's changing the profile. And keep in mind, you want to look at the load rating and things like the construction. You just want to make sure that you're not exceeding your equipment's capabilities. So just be mindful of that. And then the other big benefit is the durability and the strength of these wheels. Like I said, stronger than stock. So with the OEM or the stock sizing wheel set here, it's a 7000 series aluminum for the rim. You got your heavy duty hubs, stainless steel heavy duty spokes and nipples. Like I said, the rotors, the sprockets, all very high quality from Warp 9. And when you get to the off-road set here, these are a 70-50 aluminum, so even stronger, because they know these things are going to get abused. If you're riding aggressive off-road on big bikes like that, you need a rim that can handle the abuse. That's what these are geared towards. You're going to have the same stainless steel heavy-duty spokes and nipples with the hub rotor, sprockets all come included. So if you are looking for more performance in a wheel set built specifically for off-road aggressive riding, this off-road wheel kit is exactly what you need. So again, those are the two options. Stock sizes, narrower sizes, totally depends on the type of riding and what you're looking for. The great news is there's two options available, lots of colorways, great price point. Comments, questions down below to grab yours. Click the link or head over to RockyMountATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on cool videos like this, make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.